So Adrian, we've seen this design elsewhere on the project, down at Bobby's Bend. I believe you did a similar delivery down there, and I think you topped up the big pipes with earth. What's happening here with this one?
With this one, what we're doing is have a mixture of concrete in the pipes.
Right.
There's rebarb at the front as well, between the pipes and the wall, and that's filled up with pure concrete all in there and so on. And then the back of it will be soil back down.
Great.
Pipes, say, will be filled in level, capped over eventually when they get to the right height, and then on top of it will be the gauge and walls like we have there.
Of course, and obviously we're well below the bedrock. From an engineering standpoint, has there actually been a design for this? Is there...
Our engineers told us how to build it. So
right, so it's all been approved by the engineers.
Been approved by our engineers.
Yeah. This is a question that keeps being asked by quite a lot of people watching the shorts and watching the longer form videos, and it was just a question I wanted clarifying today. We've had the site supervisor on site. Everything sort of corroborates.
Oh yeah.
And like we've said, it's been tried and tested elsewhere. As you can see, I don't think that's going anywhere anytime soon. So what's your impression down here, Adrian? What do you hope to achieve by the end of the year now?
It depends on weather.
Yeah.
Weather permitting, like to get that built up to the end, which will be done. Two more large pipes to go in, then we come up a metre and then build it through to the end, and that's it then. Get that all in and so on. What we're going to be doing is actually backfitting it all as we build it.
Yeah.
So we don't have to put scaffolding in, saves on scaffolding. Not only that, we can get the machine nearer to pour the concrete in the pipes and so on. And we've got to leave this nice and level for when the contractors eventually come in and do the bridge.
Of course, yeah.
In the meantime, once we've got that bit there done, that's working, putting the wall through on there. And then we'll also then start looking at trying to extend it a bit down here.
Yeah.
We've got an engineering meeting this evening, so we can get our engineers. They're coming in on Friday to do some setting out for us.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, so hopefully that's answered a few questions about the big pipe, its delivery down there. The reason for us doing it is quite clear. From an engineering standpoint, it's all been approved, so hopefully there won't be so many more questions in the comments. But you are more than welcome to ask those questions, as I'm sure with enough experts on site, they can give you an adequate enough answer. I unfortunately don't get down here that often when the volunteers are here, so with myself it's quite a lot of guesswork, and Adrian has just reminded me that you got that wrong. No, that's not right, this is wrong. So hopefully that clarifies a few things. Thanks very much. Thanks, Adrian. Cheers.